As we advance deeper into the 21st century, the lightning pace of artificial intelligence, especially generative AI, is transforming our world, challenging the very essence of human creativity. Can machines that produce art, write stories, and code software diminish the role of human creativity, or are they simply enhancing it? Generative AI has shown it can emulate, even surpass, certain human creative acts. This burgeoning capability raises a critical debate. Could human creativity be at risk of becoming obsolete, or are we entering an era of augmented creativity? Human creativity is marked by deep intricacies and emotional depth. It draws from personal experiences and emotions, infusing art with a human touch that AI, bound by its programming and data, cannot replicate. Yet AI is not a rival but a collaborator in the creative process. In filmmaking, AI tools streamline production and manage complex effects, yet the core of storytelling, character development, and emotional resonance remains a distinctly human task. Artists and writers are increasingly seeing AI as a tool to expand their creative boundaries, allowing them more freedom to focus on the nuanced aspects of their work. This partnership is not about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it, pushing the limits of what's possible. As we navigate this new landscape, the role of human creativity is not diminishing but evolving. Education and training are adapting, emphasizing the cultivation of creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, skills that AI cannot replicate. The fear that AI will make human creativity obsolete is more myth than reality. Instead, we are stepping into a future where human creativity is not replaced, but reinvented, enhanced by AI's capabilities. Together, human creativity and generative AI are forging a new frontier in artistic and creative expression, one that promises to expand our creative horizons far beyond what we can currently imagine. In this exciting era, the question isn't whether AI will replace human creativity, but how it will transform it, making it more diverse, inclusive, and prolific than ever before.